This, what? What I thought you said was, do you bossa nova? That was and I don't. There was a time I might have bossa nova. But ever since the hiatal hernia, I've never done it. My boss has had to have done it. Don't tell me we can't have it in 10 years because this is a computer. And 10 years ago, if you had a portable computer, you had to have a burro carried around. And now it's this big. I can download 3 million vaginas in a minute. Don't tell me we can't have alternative energy.